Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. Today, we'll be exploring the AI-driven maintenance control system. This innovative solution transforms simple WhatsApp messages into comprehensive Excel dashboards, creating an intelligent loop that tracks requests, costs, and key performance indicators. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how this system works and the benefits it brings. So let's dive in. Let's take a closer look at how the system actually works. Essentially, the AI reads maintenance messages coming in from various sources like WhatsApp, emails, and even phone notes. The key here is that it can understand and process messages from multiple platforms seamlessly. Once the AI reads these messages, it extracts all the relevant task details, things like the specific work needed, dates, or any other important info. And the best part is, it automatically logs all this information into an Excel sheet. This automation saves a lot of time and reduces errors, making our maintenance tracking much more efficient. So overall, it's about turning unstructured messages into organized, actionable data with minimal manual effort, fitting perfectly into our goal of streamlining operations. Now, let's talk about how AI reading and categorization works in our system. ChatGPT can recognize keywords or phrases, such as AC not cooling or pump leak, which are common indicators of specific issues. Once these keywords are identified, the system automatically tags them under relevant categories like HVAC, plumbing, or electrical. This helps us quickly understand the nature of the problem. Additionally, the AI assigns a priority level to each issue automatically, ensuring that urgent matters are addressed first. This process streamlines our workflow and enhances accuracy, making it easier to manage and respond to service requests efficiently. It's a great example of how AI can support us in delivering faster, smarter service. Let's talk about how Excel automation and dashboard updates work seamlessly together. As soon as new data enters our Excel file, Power Query kicks in to pull and prepare that data automatically. Then, formulas recalculate all the key KPIs like PM percentage, response time, and cost versus budget, without any manual effort. And what's really powerful is that all the visuals, charts, graphs, and dashboards refresh automatically to reflect the latest data. This means we get real-time insights instantly, saving us time and reducing errors. It all ties back to our goal of making data-driven decisions faster and more efficiently across the board. Now, let's talk about how our system handles real-time notifications. Essentially, as soon as a new or urgent task comes in, AI immediately sends out WhatsApp alerts to the technicians on the ground. This means they get instant notifications, allowing them to respond quickly and efficiently. At the same time, managers receive email summaries, giving them a clear overview of all incoming tasks without any delay. This dual approach ensures that both the technical team and management stay well-informed and can act swiftly. These real-time alerts are a crucial part of our overall goal to improve communication, speed up response times, and keep operations running smoothly. Now, let's take a look at the field execution and feedback loop. This is where the real-time action happens. Technicians simply reply with "done" when they've completed a task or need part, if they require additional materials. The key here is that our AI system can automatically detect these responses, whether it's a completion or a delay, and then update the Excel sheet accordingly. This automation effectively closes the loop, ensuring that everyone stays informed without manual intervention. This seamless flow not only saves time, but also improves accuracy and communication across the board, which is essential for keeping our projects on track. It's a great example of how technology can make field operations more efficient and responsive. Welcome to Slide 7, where we focus on the monthly KPI and management view. What you're seeing here is a comprehensive dashboard that brings together all the key metrics we monitor regularly. It consolidates system performance, cost, safety, and satisfaction into one clear visual report. This setup allows us to review our progress at a glance, whether it's during our monthly meetings or even in a YouTube presentation. The idea is to give everyone a quick, yet thorough understanding of how we're doing across all critical areas, without having to dig through multiple reports. The most important thing to note is how this integrated view helps us identify trends and areas needing attention more efficiently. It's about making informed decisions faster and more effectively. Overall, this dashboard supports our goal of continuous improvement by providing a holistic view of our operations, ensuring we stay aligned with our strategic objectives. Now, let's look at the continuous improvement loop. Every message we send becomes measurable data, which means we can track its impact and effectiveness over time. When we make updates, they trigger increased visibility, allowing everyone involved to stay informed and aligned. And finally, each KPI we monitor guides us towards smarter, more informed decisions. This cycle creates a powerful momentum, constantly refining our approach and driving better results. It's all about turning every interaction into an opportunity for growth and improvement, tying back into the overall theme of continuous evolution and excellence.